Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make an animated cartoon video using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Adobe Express to create an animated cartoon video. So first of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, Adobe Express. You just need to type in this website and then you're going to open it, and after you have opened this website, you're going to log in to this website, so you can use the website's feature to create animated cartoon video. Okay, and then I'm going to make an animated character. I'm going to select the character first, and for the character I'm going to choose for example the Troubles. Okay, and we can also customize the background, and for the background I'm going to choose island. Okay, and then we can also customize the ratio, and for the ratio I'm going to select landscape. Alright, and then if we want to create an animated cartoon video, we need to upload our voice, or you can also record your voice with the record feature in this website. But here I'm just going to browse my audio. I'm going to add this audio. Okay, and then just wait for a moment and the AI will create an animated cartoon video for us using our voice or our audio. Okay, and now the animated cartoon video has been created, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result.
Climate change is one of the most pressing global challenges of our time, driven primarily by human activities.
And if you want to download the video, you can click on download, and the video will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create an animated cartoon video using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.